For case 1, both wires are in the same direction, so the current flowing in the wire is in the same direction as well. Wire A will produce a magnetic field around the wire. We can use the right-hand grip rule to determine the direction of the magnetic field. The thumb will represent the direction of current, while the other fingers will determine the direction of the magnetic field. So, here we can conclude that the magnetic field on the left side is flowing out of the page, while the right side is flowing into the page. Since wire B is in the region of magnetic field produced by wire A, wire B will interact with the magnetic field. Therefore, wire B will experience a magnetic force. We can use the right-hand palm rule to determine the direction of magnetic force. The thumb will represent the magnetic force, while the four fingers will follow the direction of current. Then, the palm will face the direction of the magnetic field. As a result, magnetic force experienced by wire B will be pointing to the right. The same concept is applied to wire B. Since wire B also produces a magnetic field around the wire, we can apply the same method using the right-hand grip rule to determine the direction of the magnetic field produced by wire B. Then, wire A is in the region of magnetic field and will interact with the magnetic field produced by wire B. Then, wire A also experiences a magnetic force which can be determined using the right-hand palm rule. Therefore, we can see that the magnetic force of wire A will go to the left. From applying the same concept to both of the wires, we can conclude that both wires will experience magnetic force that will go towards one another. As a result, both wires will be attracted to each other. For case 2, the direction of both wires are opposite. The current is flowing in the opposite direction. By using the same concept, right-hand grip rule for direction of magnetic field and right-hand palm rule for direction of magnetic force. You can try it yourself and the result will be pointing away from each other. Therefore, both wires will repel.
How to derive the equation to get the force per unit length equation. So using the formula of magnetic force by B on A, the current of wire A is multiplied by the length of wire A and the magnetic field of wire B. Then substitute the formula of the magnetic field of wire B into the formula. After that, take the length of the wire A to the other side so that we can get the formula of force per unit length for wire A. The same derivation is applied to wire B. Take the formula of magnetic force by A on B. The current of wire B is multiplied by the length of wire B and the magnetic field of wire A. Then, the same substitution is carried out. As a result, we can see that the formula for both wire A and B are the same. So we can equate both of the formulas to determine that the formula of force per unit length of wire is